Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add hosting or email to Gmail. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go for your Gmail and go to the settings gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to see all settings. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here accounts and import. So just simply click on this one. And from here, you should be able to see add another email address. Now, guys, from here, you should be able to see this pop up over here. And after that, just simply enter your hosting or email address over here, which is a business email. If you want to treat this as an alias, you can do that as well. Or you can go ahead and basically enter your hostinger name, email address, and once you have done that, you will be sent a verification link to your hostinger email address. And once you have verified it in your hostinger control panel, you'll be able to verify and basically link or add your hostinger email. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.